Okay, so we learned how to be able to print something to screen, have a hello world. We learned about white space and how we got to kind of design around it, but how it does benefit us. I do want to mention some ways of how you guys can kind of deal around some of this stuff. There are escape keys, so while I'm letting that load, an escape key is the backslash. Okay, it's the slash that's right above your enter. What it does is when you are in between quotes, it is used to ignore the character directly after it so that you can use that character to do different things. Okay, most of the time you're going to end up using the \n, and that's for you to be able to do a new line. If you wanted to end up doing quotes, you're going to end up having to do that. Otherwise, it's going to think that you're doing another piece of text. A single quote, or if you need it to actually recognize another backslash. So if I'm in here and I type another quote like this, and I have two of them, it keeps trying to do two. So I type hello world, but I want world to be in quotes. It's going to give me errors because it's recognizing this as a quote that I need, and then it doesn't know what to do with that. But if I actually want it to be in quotes, I hit the backslash beforehand, and that's why it shows up as orange on your IDE for IntelliJ. So when I run it, instead of it just saying hello world, now it's going to be inside of quotes. We could use the \n for us to be able to combine. See, there's the quotes. If I wanted to say I'm \redbeard with a single quote, and I wanted maybe this, so maybe I have these both in the same line, but I still want this to go to a new line. I can use \n inside of the quotes. These only work inside of the quotes to still make my code look basically the same. So it goes to a new line, and now I have stuff recognized in single quotes. If I wanted it to system.out.println, let's go ahead and make that a different line. And I want to show that I can do a backslash, and then I want to actually show a backslash. I have to use the escape key. So the escape key is a backslash, just so I can get it to print a backslash. Okay, and it's only going to do, so if I hit a space and I do \\\, space, \\\, I'm only going to see 3 backslashes. Let's go ahead and run that again, because it's only the character right after the escape key. So see, there's 3 of them, even though I have 6. Okay, so just a little extra piece of code that you're going to need to be able to implement and really be comfortable with print line and print to do your very first project.